If your hard drive suddenly fails, you don't lose some files, you lose everything. The good news is, hard disk failure is rarely random. With the right software maintenance and a few smart usage habits, you can slow down wear, extend its lifespan, and protect your data. In this video, I will show you 3 practical actions you can start using right now to keep your hard drive healthy for longer. And I will also introduce a simple tool to make this process effortless and go even further. The first action is to always safely eject external drives. Most people don't realize this, but unplugging an external drive without ejecting it is one of the fastest ways to corrupt data. When you use the Safely Eject option, Windows finishes all pending write operations and cleanly disconnects the drive. This simple habit is the most effective way to protect removable drives from silent file corruption. After clicking eject, wait for Windows confirmation. That message is your green light. It confirms Windows has flashed all write caches and ended communication with the drive. If the system is still writing data and you physically remove the drive, that process is interrupted and the file corruption is guaranteed even if you don't notice it immediately. The second action is to perform a regular disk error check. Hard drive problems don't always announce themselves. Sometimes they build up quietly, which is small file system errors, bad indexes, and inconsistencies that slowly degrade performance and reliability. That is why running disk error checks is an important software maintenance habit. Open File Explorer. Right-click the drive you want to check. Select Properties. Go to the Tools tab. Under Error Checking, click Check. Windows may tell you that no errors were found. Even then, you can still click Scan Drive to run a full scan. If Windows detects any errors, it will prompt you to repair them automatically. Running this periodically helps catch file system errors early before they affect boot times, app launches, or data integrity. Our third and final action is to defrag mechanical hard drives. Defragmenting a hard drive is like organizing a filing cabinet. It places related pieces of data next to each other, so the drive's read and write head doesn't have to jump all over the disk to find files. This reduces physical movement, improves access speed, and lowers unnecessary wear. To defrag a hard drive, press the Windows key. Type defragment and optimize drives. From there, open the tool from the search results. You will see a list of drives and their media type. Do not defragment solid-state drives. As you can see, all I have is solid-state drives, so I am not going to defrag it. In your case, you should select the hard disk drive and click Analyze. The Analyze button is only grayed out for SSDs. Analyzing will show the defragmentation percentage. If the fragmentation is above 5%, click Optimize, and the defragmentation will begin. These 3 actions dramatically reduce unnecessary wear, prevent corruption, and protect your data over the long term. Now here's the reality. These methods work, but DriveGuardian brings all of it together, makes it effortless, and goes further. It verifies drive health, tests real performance, and only runs safe drive-appropriate maintenance, all from one control panel. I have placed the download link in the pinned comment. If you care about your data, grab it now and follow exactly what I'm about to do. Once you click the link, you will receive the file just like this. Open your downloads folder. Right-click the installer and run as administrator. This is important because DriveGuardian needs elevated access to correctly read disk health and run maintenance safely. The installation is clean and simple. Just install, and once it finishes, the control panel opens immediately. Everything is laid out clearly with no technical noise. The first option is the Smart Drive Health Check. This reads smart data directly from the drive firmware. You instantly see drive type, capacity, health status, and wear level information when it's available. And as you can see, on modern SSDs, wear level is often not exposed. DriveGuardian tells you that clearly. Next is the read-write speed test. This is a real-world test. DriveGuardian creates a temporary test file, measures actual performance, and deletes it automatically. Here, you get the write speed, read speed, and an overall performance score, all in plain English feedback, so beginners can instantly understand what those numbers mean. The fourth option is for safe maintenance, which is critical. Safe maintenance is designed to protect your drive, and at the scan and repair option, it runs a non-destructive disk check first. It scans file systems, indexes, and metadata. And here's the key part: nothing is repaired unless you approve it. If the drive is healthy, DriveGuardian tells you repairing is unnecessary, and you can just skip it by replying with the letter N. In the case where you need to repair your drive, simply reply with Y, and your drive will be fixed. The next option is for managing your trim status. For SSDs, trim is critical. DriveGuardian shows whether trim is enabled and lets you verify or enable it safely. Reply with E if not enabled. This directly preserves SSD performance and lifespan, something most users never check. And finally, our intelligent HDD defrag. DriveGuardian automatically detects drive type. If it's an SSD, defrag is skipped. No accidental SSD damage. If it's a hard disk drive, only then does it analyze fragmentation. This is the difference between smart maintenance and reckless maintenance. Download DriveGuardian, run it once in a while, and stop letting silent disk issues destroy your data.